I think we need to look to back few hundred years before how we living and now how we living. Technology is important. Technology helped to the global and specifically for humans comfort. They're living more comfortable, traveling and medically. It's very, you can say, civilized or, approving better life. So that also we know, we need to appreciate. Also technology, the awful technologies exist in this planet. And we all know that, how dangerous that. And now again, the new technologies coming one after another. And one is we call artificial intelligence. And about this, how I can say, I cannot give good, thoughts because I don't know. But when we look, I think human dignity will shrink. And my worry is it become rich are rich, poor are poor. If that happens, all is become very fragile, very dark. So this is the time. Everybody needs to be aware and think how to solve this problem. Bottom line is the greedy and proud. It becomes extremely powerful because of help of technology. Now not only greedy and proud. Now the skills. The technology has a lot of skills. I can't say, I'm not right to say too much, but it's too much skill, so much power. So I think humans becoming less of everything. If that happens, then what kind of war? Yeah, it's danger actually. It's extremely danger. One after another danger, nuclear bomb, chemical bomb, and another bombs exist in this planet. Top of that now are artificial intelligence. And where it will lead to us? What good for us? Why we need this artificial intelligence? The main is like human is not capable. So there's a machine is more capable. That is making the machine. So machine, how reliable and how last reliable, and it make mistake, little mistake or huge mistake, or little mistake, little harmful, or terrible mistake, terrible harmful. This is what we need to think now. I think everybody need to be oneness and they need to discuss. The religion leaders, politicians, business people, scientists, all educated, doctor, lawyer, or any kind of whatever, need to be seriously discussed. Yes, people hoping this artificial intelligence will bring such big effect. That's true, everybody knows. What kind of big effect? Good effect, bad effect, or terrible bad effect? We need to think. Bottom line is all of our power is we're giving to the mission. Already we give the power of gun, power of stone, power of sticks we give to nuclear bomb. And now we're giving our humans dignity, humans knowledge, Humans capable, always giving to the mission. So, yes, hoping the mission is very kind mission, not harmful mission. So then, what means kind? What means harm? Yeah, it's very difficult to explain. Example, humans believe it's very selfish, saying you can slaughter many different animals. There's nothing wrong. It's normal. But if you slaughter or kill tiger or elephant, yeah, even almost like lawsuit. Why? Animal is animal because humans greedy. There's not many elephants or tiger or white tigers. Why I say white tigers? Because I saw in Las Vegas. Very sad what happened later that. Anyway, so we need enough time to discuss. And the bottom line is, each of us, we need to put our fully energy or effort to make whatever machine is not harmful, whatever technology. Again, question, a pistol is needed or not? Gun is needed or not? Certain laws says gun is needed for safety. Certain laws says gun is bad to keep. So humans way of judging life, not the bombs, atom bomb, nuclear bomb, chemical bomb. Why we need? To whom? Shoot to human. Human to human. So that is, I think ethics is extremely important. The kindness is based on ethics. So ethics are very important. So one ethic is kindness. Whoever keep kindness, that is good ethic. Whoever I say in heart, a harmful thing, extremely bad ethic. So that is, we need time to learn the Dhamma knowledge, calm, kind, clear. So, intelligence intelligent artificial need to base a kind intelligent artificial, not just intelligent. Kind and intelligent need. To whom? First human, then artificial intelligence. So please think well and discuss well. This is what I thought. This is just what I thought. I'm not giving advice. I'm not the right person to give advice who don't know about technology. But technology is very helpful. Technology is very harmful, extremely harmful. Whole world it's become more and more beautiful, more and more easy to traveling medically and the living style because technology. Whole world is unpredictable. So please think well. All the best. Trust daily.